Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the Rugged Ridge all-terrain door entry guards fitting your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. These front and rear door entry guards protect your Jeep's interior door sills from dirt, scratches, and grime. These door entry guards feature a thermoplastic construction with an all-terrain tread pattern and a sleek black finish. These door entry guards are perfect for those who want to protect their Jeep's paint against scuffs and scratches, whether they're taking it off-road all the time or just driving it day to day. Coming in at around $50, these are a budget-friendly way to protect your investment. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It features a simple installation with the included 3M double-sided tape and should take about 5 minutes. With that said, let's jump right into our install. So the first step in our install is to make sure that our door sill is clean so we can stick on our door sill guards. Grab a rag and wipe it down really well. You can clean this with spray if you'd like, but don't use anything that's oil-based because it could prevent it from sticking. So once you're happy with how clean it is, we can grab our front door sill guard. Now this is going to be the one on the driver's side. It's going to have this bump out right here, and if you're not sure, you can flip it over and there should be an LH for left-hand side stamped right in this area. So it's gonna sit right about here on your door guard. It matches the contours of your Jeep. Peel off the double-sided tape. With the double-sided tape exposed, line up the door entry guard and go ahead and stick it down. Repeat that process for the rear. These are also side specific, so look for the LH stamped on the back to choose the proper one for the driver's side. And I can peel off the adhesive. With the adhesive exposed, line it up to the door sill of your Jeep and press down firmly. Now you can repeat that process on the other side. All right, that's gonna do it for the review and install of our door entry guards. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.